doing a video on stamina and defense types.
Time trials.
Yeah, time trials. Our last video was on attack time trials. There will be a link of the video in the description.
There won't be a link in the video in the description, but you're making me do more work than I need to. If you click on our playlist, which I need to set up, but if you click on my the icon, it's a video just before this one.
Yeah.
In the list of videos. Anyway, fine. I'll put a link in to make you happy. All right, go then. What are we doing?
We're doing stamina and defense.
So who's going first? We're going to aggregate the scores for stamina and defense. Or do you just want an individual winner, or do you want a team winner?
I think we should have the scores for this one. We add them up, get the number. Scores for this one, add them up, get the number. Scores for this one,
So we aggregate it then. Okay, fine. All right then, go on. Who's first?
The launches will be using a string with a grip, and this one with this red
Hold
grip.
on. Use the same launcher for both, right? We'll get a consistent result. Because otherwise
this one doesn't work with string.
we don't. Oh, it doesn't. Okay, use the grip
show
one
you.
then. No, that's fine. I trust you.
Both of them are grip,
don't
and
need
if
grip.
this grip, which it might not.
Okay, let's do this. Let's go. Who's going first? Stamina or defense?
Stamina.
Yes.
So defense have a score to beat. So first is Guys Fafnir, the undefeatable handspin.
Oh yeah, that's what they say right on the box.
It is though.
Okay, wait. I need to get a count. I need to get the timer ready.
3.
Hold on. sorry. All right, go. 3.
3, 2, 1, go to.
Oh, very good start. Should we provide some
This
commentary?
is easily the best.
What do you reckon for this one? Give me a guess. I reckon 40 seconds.
I reckon 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yeah,
This could be the longest video
Get
ever.
one of those never stop spinning base and
Never stop spinning base.
in Guys Fafnir, it would be the battle which you could leave on for the night.
Doesn't that kind of contradict one of some laws of physics about perpetual motion?
No.
It doesn't?
No.
Are you sure about that?
Guys Fafnir will never.
Look at that,
stop
40
spinning.
seconds. This might even go for the whole minute.
It might even beat this.
It's not wasting time going around a ring, it's just...
Yeah, because stamina and
I
defense
think
stay
it's
in the
slowing
middle,
down.
and attack go in the ring.
Is that true?
Attack go
Like,
round the ring.
they'll just...
Yeah, I'll show you why.
No, it's
Look,
fine.
this is flatter,
Yeah.
but the reason this attack type was staying in the middle
a
is
whole
because
minute.
it had this.
Starting to give now. Starting to give.
No, don't stop that.
No, it's fine. I won't stop until it stops. And I will say that stopped. 1 minute
1
11.
minute
Wow.
11.
Best time so far.
Okay.
If you watch our previous
This
videos,
probably might win.
you reckon this will beat 111? Or 112 even?
This is really good.
Alright, ready? Hold on. I need to do 2 things. Ready?
I like this one.
3, 2, 1, go.
That's my favourite type of launch.
Why, I was so focused on pushing the start and that button I actually missed the launch. Well, you just show us for launch.
Oh,
ready?
so
While this
so
is
what
spinning.
you do is
Yeah.
you put it like that, you twist it,
Yeah.
so you have it facing the wrong way.
And
Then you jump, you land with your foot.
What?
You land with your foot.
This one's not going to do it, by the
Like
way. This is given up already.
There, and then you go
Oh, okay.
sling it into battle.
Sling it into battle, and talk of sling into battle. This hasn't even lasted half the time. Oh,
Wait,
it will
what?
do
This
half.
is better than that stamina.
Stop. 36, almost exactly half.
Attack is better than stamina. This beat that.
Hold on,
up.
was that from the same team?
Huh? Yeah, this was from the same team.
Okay, so the total time for stamina is 148. We'll call it 149.
Yeah, 140. No, 148
Okay, fine.
at 148 and 98 milliseconds.
Fine. Well, if it
Milliseconds?
comes down to milliseconds, we'll go into that. Right, now who's the next team? Defense, is that right?
Defense,
Is
never.
it defense or defense? Defense. Or differential. I think it's defense. I'm going for
We're gonna do one round with the armor on and one without the armor.
Are we? This is new information for me. But we're going to just take this score, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got a slight change of launchers.
Because that grip will fall off and this will snap like it normally does.
Alright,
It's
fair
pretty
enough. I don't
normal.
think the grip makes any difference, does it? Although it is another variable we've introduced.
Yeah, and
148. Ready? Let's go. 3.
148 and 98 milliseconds.
3. Oh dear.
It
Not a
doesn't
good
want
start.
to do it.
It's not playing ball. It hasn't signed a contract.
3, 2, 1, let it.
Do you have to say let it rip? Otherwise it just won't work unless you say let it rip.
Yeah, pretty much.
Let it rip!
Let it rip!
Oh, so you have to say it in a silly voice, do you? Or
Let it rip! Oh, go shoot. And when you say go shoot, say it in a
oh, this
second.
has run out. This isn't even going to last. No, it's still going. I think it's given up.
I think
It's
beat
giving
Lord-
up.
I think it's beat Lord Aegis here.
Oh well. It's not going to last. 35. I don't reckon it will get there.
Probably will. Probably has.
Look at that. Exactly right. I called it. 35. So this
Now
one.
we're gonna do this with armor on.
So
but it's
by
not
our
all
calculations, if it needs to hit 1 minute 48, is that right?
1 minute 49.
49.
Or
This
1
needs.
minute 48 and 99 milliseconds.
So this needs to go for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Let's
I don't
have a
know
look
which
at
armor
it.
to use.
Well, we'll put it in shot.
Phoenixes or Dread?
Do you think it's going to increase the spin time? Having
Yeah,
armor?
this is less heavier. This
But
is
if you don't
heavier,
put
meaning
either-
it spins for longer.
Yeah, but hold on.
And this is
If you don't put either on, you're not adding any weight. Do you want to add weight to this to make it bring it short? Do you want to add weight to this to make it go
And
faster?
I'm
Or?
gonna give this a defense check.
Fine.
So
All right,
right now
it's not going to
also-
do it either way,
It's
regardless.
got an Optimus tip.
There's no way it's going to go for 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Okay, let's see.
Then you
if
can
it
take that to
works.
the bank. And if it does, I'll
Who's
let
to
it
the
go
bank?
YouTube.
I'm not taking this to the bank. I'm not giving it to the bank. It'll cost them £50.
Oh, in that case, do it. Oh, hold on. All right. Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let it!
Oh, false start. It
False
bounced out.
start.
You know what? I'm going to give you the extra 2 seconds for free. I don't think
Yeah!
it's going to affect you.
Give us 50
I mean, unless you do it
seconds.
30 times in a row.
3, 2, 1, let it!
Oh, no, I'll tell you, fail rip. I'm going to give you that extra point.
It was gonna
Second.
burn. There we go, I've got it off.
Off you go. Ready?
I don't think it's
Third service.
Second off.
Second.
3, 2, 1, let it!
Oh, this is wasting so much energy bouncing around.
Plus, I told you it has a Optimus.
So what is it? And this is defense type or attack type? Or?
I got the wrong tip. I got mixed up with the tip. And they didn't know.
Right, not even. I guess it got
I don't know how, but this started there, and now it's nearly bursted. I don't know how is it because this bay just
And
hit
time
it.
out. I'll even give you a few extra seconds. 103
So
plays
close.
148. So
So close.
this team won, I believe.
Yep. Berto Dali.
Losers. Sorry. There's no winners or losers. It's just you finished in second place.
It's just because the Fafn is so good.
Alright. Okay.
Such
Brilliant.
Good.
So thank
it's
you.
so good even with a hand. Even this can't beat it.
No,
Probably
nothing
would.
counts. Well,
It probably would. This
even
might.
an industrial.
This might because this size difference. The rubber won't actually hit it.
Cool. All right. Thank you very much. Do we have any other more content planned for this series?
Yes,
or
we're gonna
how many
do-
things can you do with spinning tops?
I don't
Hundreds,
know.
apparently. Hundreds of people are making careers out of spinning tops around.
And don't forget to always buy.
No, we're not doing advertising unless
Don't
they're paying
forget to
us.
always buy from here.
No,
Or when we
buy
sell.
whatever you like.
Don't
They are not giving us
always buy-
revenue.
Always buy from here because it comes with the actual stuff.
Okay.
Because I got this and it wasn't.
Are we
the
getting
actual
paid
stuff.
by these people?
Maybe.
Listen, if you want your
Sure.
products advertised on here, you've got to pay more than 0. Bye bye everyone. Hit like,
Bye.
hit subscribe, and we'll hopefully see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.